Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So I wanted to create a video and just explain this so that it's a bit more clear. So the reason why your domain is not securing, or rather, it's not secured, um, and you were using this one before, which is good, but you're trying to change this to the new one. So you need to add a new domain that has the other name that you have. You need to add the other domain, is what I'm saying. So I'll give you an example. So right now, if you go to what's my DNS, this domain is the one that you need to add. This one. Okay, so you need to click on add new domain, and you can follow the process as you did for the first one, and you can add the new domain, which is this one. Okay, this is the one that you're trying to transition to. And as you can see, this one is pointing to target.clickfunnels.com, right? But this one, you have removed the CNAME and the records. So this one is not working anymore from what you have done. So you need to remove this one and put the other one. Okay. When you do that, that's when you can secure the domain, and then you can go back to your funnels, and then you can start using that particular domain for your account. Please let me know if there's any confusion. This is the old domain. This one will not secure because you have just changed the settings of this one, and you are trying to add the new one, bio.ralpharvin.com. So you need to add that bio.ralpharvin.com, just like I showed you, because that's the one that's pointing to target.clickfunnels.com. This will not secure because this one is not pointing to target.clickfunnels.com. So I hope that makes sense. Bye for now.